Sige, luto tayo ng adobong sitaw. First, we are going to take all of our sitaw and break it all up para maliit na paraso. Kasi yung mga sitaw natin nasa maliit na paraso na. Alright, sa susunod, kailangan nun yung bawang at sibuyas. Chop our garlic. Chop yung ating sibuyas. Sige, simulan natin magluto. Hinitin mo mantika. We're gonna be using ground turkey because dapat ground pork pero we're trying to be healthy sa bahay namin. Alright, mainit na yung mantika so add yung aromatics natin. Bawang and onion. Once they're medyo soft, then you add your ground meat. Haluin mo. Season with salt and pepper. Add some oyster sauce in your turkey mix. Now we're gonna add our sitaw. Nagluto na yung turkey, yung meat. Haluin natin. Okay, then we're gonna add our Filipino soy sauce. Mix that together. Add some bay leaves. And then add your suka. And then cover and simmer for about 10 minutes. Sige, makalipas ng 10 minuto. Yung aroma, sarap. And so haluin mo yung yung suka sa mga sitaw, ganun. Lagay mo ng konting asukal. Mag-simmer na lang hanggang malambot yung sitaw. Okay, this is what your final product should look like.